DIY video. All you need is a piece of paper. Any size. It could be a circle, so I'm doing a circle just to show you. I'm watching fishing because my brother really likes fishing. Brothers. And you're just gonna like this, and you're gonna have like a little extra on the sides. It's up to you. I mean, you don't have to cut them off, but I mean, I just like mine even, so I cut them off. Fold it again, and if you don't want it even, and don't cut it. But if you want it even, cut it. So after mine, when I open it, it should look like 2 hexagons. Okay, and then just right here, make a little like shape. I'm making like a triangle, and then right here, I'm making another one. And when I open it, this is what it will look like. It will look like tiny little M. Mama, does this look cool? And if you hear me pausing, it's because I have the hiccups. But if you want to do a square one, let me make a square. Well, yeah, that. Fold it half. Cut it. If you don't like cutting it, don't cut it. This one I'm doing just squares. There is one square. One triangle. 2 triangles.
We've been working our ass off for these fish. Finally got one. I know we didn't have an awesome day, but catching anything felt good. I got called today. Raining, thunder, lightning, massive storm coming in, tornado warning. This dude's calling us in right here. Tough day on the water.
2 squares.
After
you open it, should look like this. It's really tiny, so I have to like zoom it in. Yeah. But I don't know what else to do. I'll make another video later of me going in the pool. But just so you know, I make 2 videos a day. So I make 2 videos a day. But when this video's over, please like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and it's not over. Whoa! I dropped my phone. Wait, am I holding it backward?
No, you're fine.
Okay. I dropped my phone. I'm so clumsy. I don't deserve a phone. Oh, my hiccups. What should I eat? Comment down below. An apple? A bagel? Popsicle? What should I eat? A popsicle? I'm telling them, comment down below, what should I eat? Either an apple or a bagel. I don't know. I don't know what to do. But yeah, I showed you like a DIY kind of. And Maxie! 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 Who's that? Look, Maxie up! Maxie! Up here, Maxie! Look at Maxie. Okay, settle down. Settle down. Can I have the blue one?
I have blue.
No.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
You want yellow?
Green. I want booger. Yeah. So, if you know me, then hi. If you don't, then hi. Well, time to wrap it up. Please like and subscribe to join Team Boxes. So, bye.